Alright, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I'm just pulling into a private facility here in Park City, Utah. I got an invite to come ride a hybrid Supercross track, and it is looking absolutely amazing. As you can tell from the drone footage, this is gonna be awesome. I cannot wait. So the game plan is I'm gonna show you guys, basically take you on a ride for 2 laps, and then my boy Teacup, he is on the way. We are kind of on a time hack here because the sun is about to go down here in the next about 2 hours, so I gotta go get my laps in. And as soon as Teacup gets here, we will cut to the cool cinematic big camera shots and show you guys exactly how legit this place is. I'm so pumped. So I'll take you guys for a couple of laps, and then we'll get to the cool cinematic stuff. So let's go.
Better be.
right, so I just got a few laps under my belt. This track is absolutely insane. I've never ridden anything quite like it, and it's got to be my favorite track of all time. Between that and the Iron Horse Ranch, which I did, you know, the Post Malone video and things like that, this one definitely is, it's definitely a toss-up. So, and speak of the devil, my boy Teacup is pulling in, so before we run out of sunlight here, let's get it.